Okay. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our math online classroom, and please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Okay. So today um, we are with our lesson 3 that talks about operations on functions. But today we'll just focusing on addition and subtraction. I cannot combine four operations in one presentation kasi it will be too long and kapag mahaba siya, mahirap na siyang i-upload. Okay? So puputin-putulin ko siya, addition and subtraction muna ngayon. And of course, our objectives are the following. First, perform addition and subtraction of functions and solve problem involving functions. Okay? So let's start here. Definition. Let f and g be functions. Their sum, denoted by f plus g, is the function denoted by f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. So, yan yung kanyang form. Okay? So, para maintindihan yan, let me give you this example, number 1. Okay, our f of x is equal to 2x plus 4 and our g of x is equal to x minus 3. So first, we were going to find their sum. Okay, so sa paghanap ng sum, of course, number 1 that we need to consider is combine like terms or combining like terms. So in our f of x and g of x, what are the terms that are the same? So ano yun? Ito. 2x and x. So bakit parehas si 2x and x? Because they have the same variable. Ano yung variable nila? X. Parehas sila? Yes. Ano yung kanilang degree or exponent? 1. So parehas? Yes. So we can combine 2x and x. What else? 4 and negative 3. Bakit sila magkapareho? Because they are both numerical coefficient or integer. So we can combine 4 and 3. Okay? So next, combine 2x plus x will give us 3x. Okay? Paano naging 3x? Kasi kapag binasa mo yung 2x plus x na yun is ano? 2x plus 1x. So 2x plus 1x will give us 3x. Again, kapag yung variable blanco or hindi natin nakikita kung ano number, that is number 1 or 1. Okay? So 2x plus 1x is 3x. Next, positive 4 and negative 3 will give us positive 1. So positive 4 and negative 3, so unlike signs, so minus. So 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay? Sige. And that will be our final answer. Okay? So yung example natin is nag-add tayo using horizontal method. But actually, we can do vertical or vertical method. Sige, papaano? Ganito. F of x is equal to 2x plus 1 and g of x is equal to x minus 3. Ano naman yung vertical method? Sa vertical method, kung kanina sa horizontal, we combine like terms. Dito sa vertical, what we are going to do is align like terms. So, kailangan magka-align yung like terms natin. Okay? So, paano? Like this one. Yung 2x tsaka x magka-align kasi para sila ng variable na x. What else? Yung positive 4 at negative 3 dapat align din kasi they are both integer or numerical coefficient. And then we proceed to addition. So 2x plus x will give us 3x and positive 4 plus negative 3 will give us positive 1 and that will be our final answer. Okay, so we have horizontal method and the vertical method. Klaro ba? Sige. Para mas maintindihan, let me give you another example. Let's have our example number 2. Add f of x is equal to 5x squared minus 9x plus 8 and our g of x that is equal to x squared minus 5. Okay, again, ano nga? Horizontal muna tayo. Horizontal. Step 1 is combine like terms. Ano yung mga like terms dyan? We have 5x squared and x squared. Okay, very good. 5x squared and x squared. What else? Negative 9x. Sa kabila, wala. Okay, so walang x sa kabila. So, negative 9x lang. Kasi wala siyang pares sa g of x natin. Sa g of x natin, walang x lang. Okay? So, x squared lang kasi tsaka negative 5. So, wala siyang partner. Next. Positive 8 and negative 5, they are both numerical coefficient or integer. So, we can combine them. Okay, so yun na. Klaro? Sige, next. 5x squared plus x squared will give us 6x squared. Kasi nga may 1 doon sa x. So 5 plus 1 is 6. Copy x squared. Okay, next. Negative 9x. So since wala siyang kasama, we'll just copy negative 9x. And positive 8 plus negative 8, positive 8 minus 5 will give us positive 3. Okay, kasi unlike sign then, so we will going to subtract and follow the sign of the greater number, which is positive. That's why our final answer will be 6x squared minus 9x plus 3. Okay? So, let's try naman the vertical method. Okay, vertical method. F of x is equal to 5x squared minus 9x plus 8. And our g of x is equal to x squared minus 5. Okay, so bakit napakalayo ng minus 5? Kasi yung negative 5, yung kanyang kapareho is positive 8. Tama? So, i-align mo siya. Kasi nga, pag vertical method, we will align like terms. Okay? So, align yung 5x squared tsaka x squared kasi parehas silang may x at the same time parehas yung kanilang exponent na 2. Yung negative 9x walang kapareho, so therefore nagsosolo siya. And then we align positive 8 and negative 5 na parehong integer or numerical coefficient. Sige, and then add 5x squared plus x squared will give us 6x squared. Bring down negative 9x kasi wala naman siyang partner. And positive x plus negative 5 will give us positive 3. And that will be our final answer. Claro? Okay, very good. So, that's it. So before we proceed with our example number 3, let's have first this review. Okay, kasi importante ito para madaling maintindihan si example number 3. So review muna tayo when we were in elementary. Okay, elementary days natin. Find the sum of 1/3 and 2/5. Hahanapin natin yung sum ng fractions na 1/3 and 2/5. And we all know that it is we cannot combine 1/3 and 2/5 because they have different denominators. So anong gagawin natin? We will find their common denominator. Ano yung ginagawa natin? Usually, yung ginagawa natin is we multiply the denominator and we're going to find the least common denominator. Ito na yan, 15. Paano naging 15? Kasi 3 times 5 is equal to 15. Or yan yung kanyang least common denominator. Okay? Way back sa elementary days natin. Next, hahanapin natin yung kanilang mga numerators. Numerators ng ating 1/3, numerator ng ating 1/3 at numerator ng ating 2/5. Sa paanong pamamaraan, ganito yung turo sa atin, di ba, ng elementary? Ito yan. 15 divided by 3 will give us 5. Now, 5 times 1 will give us 5. And that is the exponent of our 1/3. Exponent now. Oh my God. The numerator of our 1/3. Sorry for that. Next, 15 divided by 5 will give us 3. Tama? And 3 times 2 will give us 6. And that will be the numerator of our 2/5. So, pwede na natin i-combine? Yes. Pwede na natin i-combine kasi pares na yung kanilang denominator. Actually, yung 5 plus 6 over 15 ay pwede na yung dalawang fraction siya, di ba? 5 over 15 and 6 over 15. Yan yung ibig sabihin niya. Pero inisa lang natin. Okay? So next, 5 plus 6 will give us 11. Copy 15. And that will be our final answer. Okay? So na-refresh ba yung mind natin? Okay, na-refresh ba natin? So yung purpose nun kasi para dito sa ating example number 3. Our example number 3 is 1 over x minus 3 plus 2 over x minus 5 is an example of rational expressions. And we cannot add the two expressions because they have different denominators. Yung gagawin natin, hahanapin natin yung kanyang common denominator. Okay? So, the common denominator of x minus 3 and x minus 5 is para mahanap is we multiply them. Okay? At kapag minultiply natin si x minus 3 and x minus 5 will give us x squared minus 8x plus 15. So, paano siya mahanap? Ito, tingnan nyo. We multiply x minus 3 and x minus 5. Way back when you were in grade 8, tinuruan kayo ni ma'am ninyo ng FOIL method. Okay? Ano ibig sabihin ng FOIL? Yung F stands for first, yung O stand for outside, yung I stands for inside, and yung L stands for the last. So paano siya ni-apply? Apply natin muna yung F or yung first. So multiply natin. First is x times x will give us x squared. Okay, x times x is equals to x squared. Next, yung O, outside. Outside naman, x times negative 5 will give us negative 5x. Okay, next, letter I or inside. Inside is negative 3 times x will give us negative 3x at yung L, which is the last, okay, the last is negative 3 times negative 5 will give us positive 15. So next is we combine like terms. Negative 5x minus 3x will give us negative 8x. Negative 5 plus negative 3. So parehas sila yung sign na negative. So we will combine. So negative 5 plus negative 3 will give us negative 8. Okay? So the final expression will have x squared minus 8x plus 15. That's why nakuha natin yung kanyang denominator. Klaro ba? Naintindihan nyo na ba kung bakit nagkaroon tayo ng x squared minus 8x plus 15? So we multiply x minus 3 and x minus 5 using the FOIL method. Klaro na ba yon? Okay, so let's continue. Since meron na tayong common denominator, we can now do the process. Okay? So, paano yan? Divide natin. X squared minus 8x plus 15 divided by x minus 3 will give us x minus 5. Tama? So, we divide. Next, x minus 5 times 1. Okay? Tingin muna sa ano. X minus 5 times 1 will give us x minus 5. Naintindihan ba yon? Again, divide x squared minus 8x plus 15 divided by x minus 3 will give us x minus 5. And then x minus 5 times 1 will give us x minus 5. That will be our numerator ng ating first term. Klaro? Sige. Next, proceed. X squared minus 8x plus 15 divided by x minus 5 will give us x minus 3. Then, x minus 3 times 2 will give us 2 times x minus 3. Naintindihan ba yon? We divide x squared minus 8x plus 15 divided by x minus 5. Yung sagot natin doon is x minus 3. And then, x minus 3 times 2 na numerator ng second term natin will give us 2 times x minus 3. Klaro? Sige, let's proceed. Okay? Continue natin. Okay? Let's copy the denominator at yung first term kasi hindi naman natin siya kailangan i-simplify. Yung isi-simplify natin dyan is yung ito, yung 2x minus 3. Okay? At 2 times x minus 3. Yan yung isi-simplify natin. So, paano? Yung distributive property lang of multiplication. So, tingnan natin. Tingnan ninyo yung presentation. Paano siya i-simplify? Ganito. 2 times x will give us 2x and 2 times negative 3 will give us negative 6. Naintindihan ba yun? Again, balikan natin. Okay, paano siya isi-simplify? Ganito, 2 times x will give us 2x and 2 times negative 3 will give us negative 6. Okay, so na-simplify na natin and then we can combine like terms. So, i-combine like terms natin. Okay, so first, let's copy the denominator. Excuse me. Copy the denominator. Okay, next is combine like terms. Ano yung mga like terms dyan? Of course, the x and the 2x. Combine natin, ipagsama. What else? The negative 5 and the negative 6. Combine din natin. Okay, so let's have our final answer. X plus 2x will give us 3x. Okay, kasi 1x plus 2x will give us 3x. And negative 5 and negative 6 will give us negative 11. And that will be our final answer. Klaro? Sige. That is example number 3. Sige. I will give you an example number 4. Okay? I will give you example number 4. Pero this time, i-share ko sa inyo yung parang mas madali siyang way. Okay? Mas madali siyang way. So for example, find the sum of 3 over x plus 4 and 2 over x minus 2. Okay, mas madali siyang process kasi ganito, yung ginagawa ko usually is kinakopy ko lang yung denominator, hindi na ako nagmo-multiply. Okay, so ikakopy mo lang yung x plus 4 and x minus 2 kasi ganun pa rin naman. Okay, kasi kapag i-multiply mo, yung factors niya same pa rin. So eto, hindi na tayo mag-multiply, yung gagawin lang natin is cancellation. We'll just cancel like terms. Let's, for example, this one. Para mahanap yung 3 over x plus 4, gagawin ko lang is I will just divide. Okay, divide natin or let's do the cancellation. Halimbawa, yung x plus 4, cancel mo lang dito at yung x plus 4 sa kabila kasi parehas sila. Ano yung natira na lang? Yung matitira na lang is x minus 2. And then yung matitirang x minus 2, i-multiply mo lang siya sa 3. Okay, yung first term natin. Okay, so x minus 2 times 3 will give us 3 times x minus 2 as numerator. Klaro? Again, babalik ko lang. Okay, babalik natin. We will copy the denominator na x plus 4 and x minus 2. And then hahanapin natin yung numerator ng first term natin or ng first expression. So paano gagawin? I-cancel natin yung x plus 4 at denominator ng 3 na x plus 4, and then yung matitira na lang is x minus 2. Then, x minus 2 times 3 will give us 3 times x minus 2 na numerator sa taas. Klaro? Sige. Next, yung pangalawang term naman sa 2 over x minus 2. Since parehas yung x minus 2, kakancel natin yung x minus 2 and x minus 2. Kasi para sila. So, ano yung matitira? X plus 4. Then, we multiply x plus 4 times 2 will give us 2 times x minus 4. Naintindihan? So, hindi na natin kailangan mag-multiply. Klaro? So, cancellation na lang yung process. Yan yung ginagawa ko before. I don't know kung paano sa inyo effective yan or mas maganda yung nasa example number 3 na minumultiply. But actually, it will be up to you. Okay, let's continue. Okay, continue natin. Let's copy the denominator. Next, i-simplify natin yung numerator. Okay, yung numerator na nasa taas. Okay, we will do the distributive property of multiplication. Ito yan. 3 times x will give us 3x and 3 times negative 2 will give us negative 6. Okay, next. 2 times x will give us 2x and 2 times 4 will give us positive 8. Okay? Next, we will just combine like terms. I-combine natin yung magkaparehong term. 3x plus 2x. 3x and 2x, i-combine natin will give us 5x. Again, 3x and 2x, i-combine natin will give us 5x. And negative 6 and negative 8, kapag kinumbine natin, will give us positive 2. Okay? Klaro ba yan? Positive 2. So that will be our final answer. So saan nanggaling si x squared plus 2x minus 8? I-multiply mo yung x plus 4 and x minus 2 will give us x squared plus 2x minus 8. But actually, you can have your final answer na 5x plus 2 over x plus 4 and x minus 2. Or pwede rin 5x plus 2 over x squared plus 2x minus 8. Depende. Okay, sa teacher. Kung ano required ni teacher. Okay? Sige. Next, let's move on. We're done with addition. Now let's move on with the definition sa subtraction. Okay? Number 2, their difference denoted by f minus g is the function denoted by f minus g of x is equal to f of x minus g of x. Yan yung kanyang form. Actually, kasi yung difference tsaka sum, wala namang halos magkapareho. Dito lang. Okay? Let me give you this example. F of x is equal to 2x plus 4 minus g of x is equal to x minus 3. Again, sabi ko nga kanina, halos walang pagkaiba yung process ng finding the sum and finding the difference. Yung problema lang dito sa difference is pinapalitan natin ng sign ang ating subtrahend. Bakit? Halimbawa, ito, tingnan nyo ito ha. 2 minus negative 5. Ano yung sagot mo dyan? 2 minus negative 5 will give us positive 7. Tama? Okay, paano nangyari? Kasi eto, nagiging positive siya. Kasi negative times negative will give us positive. Or yung subtrahen natin na negative 5, pinapalitan natin ng sign. Okay? So, nagiging positive siya. That's why 2 minus negative 5 will give us 7 kasi nga nagiging 2 plus 5 dahil yung sign ng subtrahen na negative 5 nagiging positive and then we will proceed to addition. Klaro? So, yung gagawin natin dito, okay? So, yung gagawin natin dito, yung subtrahen natin na g of x, which is x minus 3, papalitan agad natin ng sign para hindi tayo malito kapag maraming mga signs. Okay? So, papalitan agad natin. So, yung x minus 3 na g of x is magiging negative x plus 3. Okay? Klaro ba yon? Yung g of x natin na x minus 3 is magiging negative x plus 3. Bakit? Kasi we multiply negative times x will give us negative x and negative times negative 3x will give us positive 3 and then we will proceed to addition or combination of like terms. Naintindihan ba yon? Pinalitan natin ng sign yung ating subtrahend. Okay? Yung positive x nagiging negative x, yung negative 3 nagiging positive 3 kasi nga minultiply natin sa negative sign para makapag-proceed tayo sa combination of terms or addition. Klaro? Sige. So, I guess malinaw na yon. Now we will go to combination of terms or combine like terms. Ano yung combine like terms dyan? Okay? Kasi nag-multiply tayo. Okay, ano yung like terms dyan? 2x and negative x. I-combine natin. 2x and negative x. So, i-disregard na natin yung g of x na nasa taas. Yung focus natin is yung bagong sign ng g of x. Naintindihan ba yon? Sige, next. Positive 4 and positive 3, i-combine din natin. Kasi parehas din silang numerical coefficient. Okay, let's go. 2x minus x will give us x. Okay? Kasi minus. 2x minus x will give us x. So, 2 minus 1 is 1. Copy x. Next. 4 and positive 4 and positive 3 will give us positive 7. And that will be our final answer. Klaro ba yan? That is horizontal. I-try natin sa vertical. Okay? F of x is equal to 2x plus 4 and minus our g of x is equal to x minus 3. Okay? Again, change natin ng sign ang ating subtrahend o our g of x. Okay? So yung positive x mo magiging negative x at yung negative 3 mo magiging positive 3 and then we will proceed to addition or combination of terms. Okay? So i-align mo pa rin. Okay? Again, yung sign ng g of x is bago na at yun yung susundin natin. Okay? So 2x plus negative x will give us x. Okay? 2x plus negative x will give us x. Kasi unlike sign sila. And then 4 plus 3 will give us 7 and that will be our final answer. Klaro ba? Nag-change lang naman tayo ng sign. Actually, walang different naman yung process ng addition and subtraction sa function. Yun nga lang nga, change natin yung sign ng ating subtrahend and then we move forward to the process of combining like terms. Klaro? Sige, let me give you this another example para mas ma-practice natin. Subtract. Actually, same yung problem sa addition. F of x is equal to 5x squared minus 9x plus 8 and our g of x is x squared minus 5. Again, subtraction tayo. So kapag subtraction, ano nga, sine-change natin ang sign ng ating subtrahend. Ano yung subtrahend natin dito? That is g of x. So lahat ng sign ng kanyang terms ay papalitan. So magiging negative x squared plus 5. Again, paano naging negative x squared plus 5? Kasi papalitan natin ng sign. Opposite sign. Mamultiply natin sa negative sign. Okay? So negative times x squared will give us negative x squared and negative times negative 5 will give us positive 5. At yung g of x na nasa baba, yan na yung bagong term natin or yung bagong expression natin, which is yan na yung gagamitin. Okay? So we can now combine like terms. 5x squared and negative x squared and negative 9, since wala siyang partner sa kabila, so negative 9 pa rin siya, wala siyang partner, and then 8 and positive 5 like terms. Claro? Okay, let's proceed. 5x squared minus x squared will give us 4x squared. Kasi 5 minus 1 is 4 and copy x squared. Since yung negative 9 walang partner, so we'll just copy negative 9 and 8 plus 5, positive 8 and positive 5 will give us positive 13 and that will be our final answer. That is horizontal method. Okay? So try naman natin yung vertical. Medyo matakot ba sa ulo? Kaya mo yan. Okay? Try natin yung vertical. 5x squared minus 9x plus 8 minus the g of x is x squared minus 5. Again, subtrahend, papalitan ng sign. I-times natin sa negative. So, yung negative times positive x squared will give us negative x squared. At yung negative 5 magiging positive 5. And then we will proceed to combination of terms or addition. Klaro? So, lahat muna sa subtrahend, papalitan na naman ng kanyang sign. Okay, so align, align, align. Okay, so 5x squared plus negative x squared will give us 4x squared. Okay, next, bring down negative 9x kasi wala naman siyang partner and combine positive 8 and positive 5 will give us positive 13 and that will be our final answer. Klaro? Yun lang yun naman yung nagpapadagdag ng trabaho sa'yo. We just change the signs of our subtrahend sa subtraction. Okay? So let's have our example number 3, yung rational expression. Okay? Find the difference of 5 over x plus 3 minus 2 over x minus 1. Okay? Again, we will going to find the common denominator. Pero this time, we'll just make use of the cancellation para mas madali. Okay, so copy mo lang yung x plus 3 and x minus 1 as their common denominator para hindi tayo mahirapan o sumakit sa ulo. Okay, so focus muna tayo sa 5 over x plus 3. Okay, we will divide. Okay, so cancel natin x plus 3 and x plus 3. So yung matitira na lang is x minus 1 and then we will multiply it to 5. That will give us 5 times x minus 1 sa numerator. Nakuha? Sige. Next. Of course, next is focus tayo sa 2 over x minus 1. Okay? Divide. So we will cancel x minus 1 and x minus 1. So yung matitira na lang is x plus 3 and we will multiply it to 2. That will give us 2 times x minus 3. Klaro? Okay, so our expression na nasa taas is 5 times x minus 1 minus 2 times 2 times 2 minus 2 times x plus 3. Medyo nalilito na rin ako. Okay, so klaro? See. Next, let's go. Simplify our numerator. Paano siya isi-simplify? We will do the distributive multiplication. So 5 times x is equal to 5x and 5 times negative 1 will give us negative 5. Okay? Minus. Okay? Simplify. 2 times x will give us 2x and 2 times 3 will give us positive 6. Klaro? Sige. Again, in our numerator, saan dyan yung ating subtrahend? Our subtrahend there is 2x plus 6 na change natin yung sign because of the subtraction. Okay? Kasi subtraction siya. Okay? So now let's move. Combine like terms. Ano yung combine like terms natin? 5x and 2x. Okay? Bakit 5x minus 2x? Kasi yung 2x natin kanina, diba positive? Magiging negative 2x kasi nga, we will change the sign kasi yung 2x natin is a subtrahend. Klaro ba yun? Sige. Next. Negative 5 and negative 6. So yung positive 6 kanina, magiging negative 6 na siya kasi nga subtrahend siya, we will change the sign. So yung positive 6 magiging negative 6 kasi subtrahend. Okay? So we will combine like terms. 5x minus 2x will give us 3x and negative 5 and negative 6 will give us negative 11 and that will be our final answer. Again, baka malito kayo. Yung 2x natin sa taas, no? Yung 2x plus 6 natin is a subtrahend. Therefore, papalitan natin yung sign. So yung 2x mo magiging negative 2x at yung positive 6 mo magiging negative 6 na. Okay? And that will be our final answer. Okay. That will be our references and okay.